Subscribe to PD Wild Truth first, then like, comment, and share this sky-ground duel. High in the mountains, a red fox stalks a hare. But above, shadows circle. A golden eagle, wings wide, eyes locked. Two predators, one prey. The eagle dives, talons flashing. The fox lunges, jaws snapping, seizing the hare in its teeth. But the eagle slams down, striking with bone-crushing claws. The battle ignites, talons rake fur, the fox twists, biting back. Predator clashes with predator, air against earth. Feathers fly, snarls echo, prey forgotten in the chaos. Who wins, the golden eagle, master of the skies, or the cunning fox, lord of the land? Drop your answer, smash like, and subscribe to PD Wild Truth for more savage animal rivalries.